Hello everybody, welcome back to Spanish with An Academy. Yo soy Lorena, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our daily Spanish content. Today, we're going to talk about how to introduce somebody else or how to refer to other people. We are going to focus on the third person of singular, he or she. This is an essential skill that any beginner should know, so let's get started. Empecemos. First thing first, we need to know the pronouns. Remember that when you talk about yourself, you use the pronoun yo, I. Well, when you talk about a male, you're going to use the pronoun él, he. If you talk about a female, now you're going to use the pronoun ella, she. For introducing someone, you're going to follow a very basic structure, which is he is or she is. Él es, ella es. Let's imagine that you want to introduce your male friend called Felipe. Then you would say, él es Felipe. Now, how would it be if you want to introduce your female friend called Sofia? Excellent, very good. Ella es Sofia. Now, let's talk about professions. How would you do for professions? Of course, we will follow the same structure. Él es, ella es. For example, él es abogado. Él es profesor. Él es arquitecto. For female, we would say, ella es abogada. Ella es profesora. Ella es arquitecta. Remember to always watch out for genders. Okay? Feminine with feminine, masculine with masculine. What about nationality? Well, of course, you're going to follow the same structure. Él es, ella es. Él es cubano, he is Cuban. Ella es colombiana, she is Colombian. Él es francés, he is French. Ella es italiana, she is Italian. Good, pretty easy, right? Let's level it up a little bit. Let's express our relationship with these people because, of course, if you're gonna introduce them, they're probably related somehow with you, right? So, you are gonna use the possessive my. In Spanish, it would be mi. So you can say, he is my brother, él es mi hermano, he is my brother, or ella es mi madre. She is my mother. How would you say, he is my friend? Good. Él es mi amigo. Remember, amigo with él, amiga with ella. I know. You got it. You are mastering the introductions. Let's revise using our An Academy app where you can find all of this Spanish content and you can do your daily lessons. Okay, so let's start. Translate to English. Él. Good. He. Match the following. Good. Ella, she. Él, he. Muy bien. Let's see. To talk about someone else, you can say él es. It means he is, and is used to introduce or describe a male individual. Then, to indicate she is in Spanish, use the phrase ella es. Identify the image. Ella, great, the girl, of course. Él es mi hermana is the correct way to introduce your sister, true or false? Of course not. Él is masculine and hermana is feminine. Good job. Complete the sentence. Él es mi. Great. Profesor. Since of course it's masculine. Translate to Spanish. She is my mother. Great. Ella es mi madre. Very good. Muy bien. Translate this sentence. She is American. Great. Ella es americana. Genial! Now, let's try something else. I'm going to give you some information. I'm going to leave it in the screen, and I want you to practice your writing by leaving a comment below using this information and everything that we've learned so far. For example, if I say madre and americana, you will type ella es mi madre, ella es americana, she's my mother, she's American. Do you think you can do it? Of course you can, so let's give it a try. Let's start with mexicano, profesor. Italiana, amiga. Julia, abogada. Bárbara, esposa. Okay, so you will have something like this. Él es mexicano, él es profesor. You got it right? Ella es italiana, ella es mi amiga. She's Italian, she's my friend. You got it right? Okay, let's move on. Ella es Julia, ella es abogada. She's Julia, she's a lawyer. Good. And the last one. Ella es Bárbara. Ella es mi esposa. She is Barbara. She is my wife. Good. Look at you. Already mastering introductions. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. I hope you guys have enjoyed learning how to introduce some other people or refer to other people. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't forget to use these phrases on your daily basis. Try it with your friends, your family, or even your pets. They might just start responding in Spanish as well. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, comment, share it with your friends and family, or just probably leave an hola on the comments. I will love hearing from you. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be diving into more exciting Spanish lessons. Hasta luego. Adiós.